G'day, here's a small deal of colourful knobbies from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Yeah, they could be a bit sandy, but that's the nature of these, I'm afraid. But there's very nice colours amongst them. Even this little one's a little stone, possibly. This is a bit of a gamble, but if you end up with some nice stones, and I hope you do, but as you can see, it is a little bit sandy material. What it's like inside I can't see, I can't tell you. Little last piece. It's all similar material, I think. But hopefully you get a nice couple of stones out of it. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.